Hello student, we studied various trigonometrical identities. Which are them? So first one was sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Second was 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. And the third one was 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Okay. What is the reciprocal relation? That also we saw. Sine is a reciprocal of cosec, sec is a reciprocal of cos, and tan is a reciprocal of cot. We also see tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. Okay. All these identities we have written up. Now we are going to solve practice set 6.1 question number 5. Okay, what is the question number is? If tan theta is equal to 1, find what you have to find out? To find is sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, is my handwriting is visible? Okay. Now, what is the relation tan theta if it is given? So what should come in your mind first? I have this identity. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. I got the sec theta means I will get the cos theta. If I got the cos theta, I will get the sin theta. This is vice versa. So that is means एक के आगे एक जैसे चेन होती है ना, so like that you have to go to do. So what is the first identity I am going to use? This identity. What is that? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. What is given to you? So I have given that tan theta equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 square is equal to sec square theta. So what is I am going to get here? 1 plus 1. What is the square of 1? It is not 2. It is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Then लिखती हूँ आगे का. So I got sec square theta is equal to 2. And what is the sec theta? Will be equal to 1 upon root 2. Sorry, root 2. It is just root 2. What is cos theta? Cos theta means reciprocal of sec theta. इसको उल्टा करो तो it is going to come 1 upon root 2. Is that clear? इसमें मिला क्या क्या मिला इसमें आपको? You got sec and cos. Now you have to find out the sin theta. If you have the cos theta using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, you can find out the cos theta, sin theta also. I am showing you with the different method. I have tan theta. Tan theta means what? Sin theta upon cos theta is having equal to 1 because tan theta equal to 1. Now, in place of cos theta, if I put the value, what I am going to get? Sin theta upon 1 upon root 2 is equal to 1. What is done? Are you confused? What I have done is, in place of cos theta, I kept the value 1 upon root 2. Nothing else. Now, take 1 upon root 2 to that side by cross multiplication. So, I will get sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. If you remember, if you see the table, sin 45 is equal to cos 45. Means actually this is the triangle of type 90, 45, 45. Okay? ये बाद में means you can think about that more extra thinking. Here so we have to find out. Once you got sec theta, cos theta, sin theta, you can get cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Again it's का उल्टा. So that is going to become root 2. If you have all the 4 values, write them in the given. To find के इसमें लिखते हैं वो. What is to find is sin theta plus cos theta. 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. एनी डाउट? खाली प्लस लिखा है और नीचे क्या आएगा? सेक थीटा कोसेक थीटा, तो √2 प्लस √2 वैल्यू डाले. What is happening up now? That is the denominator is same, so you can write it as a 2 upon √2. और नीचे क्या लिखोगे? 1 √2 plus 1 more √2, 2 √2. Now you remember this. This is the denominator. It is automatically going to come in the numerator. कहाँ लिखूं? अभी यहाँ पे लिखूं. So what is going to get it as a 2 upon 2 multiply by √2 multiply by √2. This is the denominator, children. It is going to come down only. Okay, and then already 2 √2 is there, so this is √2 into √2. Now what is going to happen? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and √2 into √2, so 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is the simplification. These steps are more, and that my board is very small, so you may get confused. Pause the video and you write in your neat and clean handwriting all the steps properly. Okay, after writing that, we are going to see one more. Now we are going to see all the identities of the prove that. And here, this identities actually I wrote up that you have to write in the margin every time, because you will understand which identity you have to use. So all the 3 identities you should write in the margin every time. Okay, once you learn, you can if you don't write, it's okay, but by the time you have to write all the identities in the margin. You know my method of making it learn. Now let us see question number 6, first one. What is that? Prove that. To prove क्या करना है? तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा प्लस cos theta is equal to sec theta. This you have to prove. Now while proving, children, remember always one side will prove. We are not going to prove both the sides. We'll prove one side and let us see what is happening. Okay, what is we are solving is a LHS. To solve means what? जैसे हम नंबर्स का करते हैं कि डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर होगा तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ता है, कभी कभी सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ता है. द सेम वे यू गोइंग टू डू हियर. दिस इज यू कैन कंसीडर एज ए नंबर्स. These are not the different thing. These are the ratio, of course, trigonometrical ratio, but not operations are not so different. So what is that? Here it is number is not there. It is just 1. So what we do? We do the cross multiplication. First term is going to remain as it is, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now what is denominator is going to remain cos theta as it is. Any problem? No problem at all, because this is a simple sum. Now you have the identity. अभी मैंने लिखी नहीं बैठी है, but you know what is that identity is, as we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Identity है, so we get here 1 upon cos theta. And you know what is 1 upon cos theta? Yes, it is a reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. You got the right side and left side is equal to RHS. Understand? Very simple example. The same way you will solve now. This is you are going to solve cos square theta upon sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cosec theta. ये आप करोगे.